Good morning. It is around 2:30 a.m. and I am just setting off to ride 400k, I guess south and then a little bit to the right, but I guess you will see the journey I'm taking on. I'm being quiet because I'm in a residential area and it's the middle of the night. The sun is just coming up. It's about 6 o'clock and I've done about 80k. Although, I did get stung by a bee. So I'm at 100k in and feeling good. That is the bite and it's really hot. Just checking in, I'm about 180k in and I realised that I've not actually told you where I'm going or what I'm doing or why I'm doing it. So I'm basically riding down like South Wales. It's called Cymer, I think that's how you say it. Because the Internationelles, who are a group of women who have ridden the Tour de France the day before the guys, that's what they did last year, and obviously they can't do it this year, so instead that they did they did the distance of the Tour de France on turbo trainers, and then today they are Everesting a climb in Wales, and I guess it's just all about fighting for women's equality in racing and in cycling. And so I was like, I'd planned to do a 400k today anyway, and I was like, oh, maybe I could just reroute it to come via you and do a lap up the climb with them. So that's why I set off so early, to try and get there before they actually finish it. That is a nice view. You know it's steep and you're slow when with the wahoo pauses. Okay, I can forgive Wales's really narrow, really gravelly, steep roads for these climbs. These are my perfect climbs. Like long, steady, and just with beautiful views. Like, look at that. Look at these little babies. Hello. Oh, I like you. Finally made it, and we are at the climb where the Internationales, there's 5 girls doing their Everesting, and look how beautiful this climb is. It's getting dark, but it is so beautiful. So they had 27 laps to do of a 6.5k climb, and some of the girls have got 3 laps left and some of them have got 2 left, and I'm gonna wait until Lou comes up. I think you've seen Lou in another one of my videos, but I'm going to ride up with her in a minute. So support crew is here, which is basically all the halves of some of the riders. So it's just so, and this is the reason that I've come, because, and this is the reason why I want to do like long rides and stuff, because I just love having women that are just doing incredible stuff. Like these girls, they rode the distance of the Tour de France on turbo. Now they're Everesting to get the distance up, and it's just phenomenal. So even today, when I've had like a couple of like Mardy moments when I've had headwind, I'm just like, but they're doing an Everesting. They are just doing epic stuff. So I'm just excited to be here and hopefully see them all finish. So maybe we'll chat to support crew. They're coming up now. So how's it been all day then, you two? Well, you
cold.
3. Cold!
It's been good.
You've been good support crew.
Oh, we've done our bit, I like to think, and we've done our bit.
You have. So who's here then? Who have we got coming up?
So this group here is Jess and Lucy.
So they've got 2 laps left.
When they get here, they're the first group, they're the lead group, so they're going to be then 2 to go.
2 left.
Who's about, she's not about 10 minutes behind them.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, you! You're doing brilliant! I want to hug you, but I can't! I did. Well done! I can feel it, an air hug. Are you okay? It's so hard. It's so hard, but I'm alright. You look pretty fresh, to be honest. So you're Everesting.
Crushing it.
Like my legs feel okay.
You look really fresh. You've only got 2 left. Like, you're sorted, mate. You're sorted.
Sorted.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, Jess. Go on.
Go on, love. See you in a bit.
Come on, Lou!
Yeah.
Yes!
Hello.
Hello!
Oh my god! I was thinking you weren't going to make it.
I'm here!
Oh my god, how are you?
I'm
Katie?
good!
Oh
I'll come and do a lap with you.
Are you?
Yeah, of course I am.
Amazing.
If you'll have me, if you want to be, I don't know you'd be on your own, you're like, I don't want to talk to
I'd
anybody.
love you to come.
Okay,
I've been worried about you. I just thought, oh my gosh.
I knew
I'm
she
there.
could make it. I've been messaging her.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my god, are you alright?
Yeah, of course. You're an everything. Lou, do not worry about me. You're everything. Like, right, I'll follow you down.
Two more, yeah? There must be over 8,000 metres
Oh
already.
my god.
We've been up. We have to go up 27 times. This is 26. I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it, girl. You're gonna do it.
Oh man.
You're doing so, and the fact that you're so chatty.
I struggled. I think the worst was lap 12. And then I was freaked out because I thought, man, lap 12 is early to be struggling. But it's just because it wasn't my pace.
And is it just that you've like had peaks and troughs of like good and...
And I was looking at my heart rate. It was too high. Getting like refluxy type stuff. I was just like, I can't do this.
No, you've got to go at your own pace. Is that what the main struggle that you've had?
Absolutely,
It's just not going
to
your own
own
pace. Yeah.
See you
Bye,
when you finish.
Katie.
See you soon. One more.
Yeah, Rob.
You got this.
Everyone is on the last lap.
Oh my
So we're gonna go.
How do you both feel with yours?
I'm delighted for them that they were able to do something this year significant.
Yeah.
In the face of losing everything, they still managed to do something significant, so I'm very pleased.
It's awesome.
It's huge. There's a lot of people watching, you know, and they've sent a message.
Who?
And that's these girls. They're
Oh, sorry. I
who sent a
amazed
message.
now. It's like there's a lot of people watching. Who's watching?
And people that are inspired by this group of regulars.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Awesome job, girls! Hey! Oh! Well done. Thanks. Oh!
How do you feel?
Relieved.
Relieved.
Please, happy, yeah. Nice. Epic job, you absolute legends. And like Lou and Jules and Rianne are like moment, like it won't be long at all, it'll all be done.
Helmet.
So fashion. It's called Fashion Brenda. Big moment. On my knees. 27! That's them coming up.
Oh, God. It's over.
Oh, it is. I can't feel my legs.
Can we never ride bikes again, please?
Bicycle.
Fuck you, bicycle.
There we go. That'll do.
Yeah.
For the
We're
joy.
cycling for support within grassroots. Hashtag equality. Yeah.
27 laps, all laps completed, 0 to go.
See you later on. See you later! Bye! Probably can't even see me, so now I've got about 100k back to Monmouth, which is where my hotel is. So I'm probably gonna catch up with you in the morning. I think I just want to get back and oh, what's that on the road? Get back and have a shower and go to bed. So I'll see you in the morning. So this is actually 2 days after the last time I spoke to you, and just wanted to fill you in on the last 100k. The last 50 of that last 100, so I think it was total 406k. The last 50 was brutal. It was so much hillier than I expected, and I was just like, I just want to get back, and I kept having to stop, and I kept having to have like a little lie down because I was just like, I'm just so tired. But the girls, seeing them do the air history, and I was like, come on, I can do it. I've got to keep going. I can do this. And I got back, and then also another little bit of motivation. Actually, I stopped off to buy a pot noodle, and that was in my bag. So I was like, right, as soon as I get back to the hotel, I am having that pot noodle. And oh my god, it was the night. I had a shower. I was in bed eating my pot noodle. It was was class. Probably not classy, but it was class. And so yeah, I just wanted just to talk about the girls again and the Internationelles and what they've done. It's just incredible, like what they've done and what they're achieving, just creating noise about equality for women cycling. And I'm just very lucky that I know them and that I do know them, yeah, and that I just think they're incredible women. And also on the side of that, another woman I know this week has done epic stuff. She's called Marcia, and she basically has set a Guinness World Record for riding Land's End John O'Groats and then back again, and she did it in 11 days. Just to put that in perspective, I did it a couple of years ago and I did it in 9 days one way. She's gone there and back in 11. So having women like that in this community is just awesome for just inspiring and just encouraging other women to do the same, because I know those women, I'm like, I can do these things, I can go out and do the things that I want to do. So I hope that is inspiring to you as well. Also, to add as well, if you do want to look more into what the Internationelles are doing, I'll leave all the links below. And George and Jess, who you saw earlier in this video, have been creating videos every day about the actual journey that they're doing, so I'll leave their channel below, so go and have a look at that if you want to. And then finally, all this endurance malarkey, I feel like another little mini series coming on. And so for the next 6 days, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every single day there's going to be a video talking about some kind of topic around endurance cycling and how it can help you improve if you are wanting to go further and longer. So I'm going to be talking all about bike fit, fuel, nutrition, what to do when things go wrong, lighting through the night, how to charge stuff, just everything that you could possibly ever want to know about endurance cycling. I'm hopefully going to be putting out over the next 6 days, so I better get back and better get back and making these videos. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a little thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe if you want to subscribe, see more content, and I will see you tomorrow for the start of the endurance series. Goodbye, farewell, thanks for the support, bye. Bye! Do you want to look at this, what happened this morning?
Go on.
You might need a light on it.
Go on, what you got for me? Oh wow, that's massive.
Stung. The light on it, look at that.
Jeez.
All the way around. Why are the bees all washed at like 2 in the morning? In the dark. You should be like napping.